Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the shop today. I'm going to be starting a new project. I'm building a student desk for my granddaughter out of a couple of 2x4s, some 2x6s, and pocket hole screws. That's what I'll be using to build the desk. Want to make sure that you watch this video to the end so that you actually get to see the finished product. I will put all the materials I use for this project in the description and the cut list below. If you have any questions after you see this project and this video, please don't forget to put your comments in the comments section below, because I'll answer any of your questions and or comments. Also, don't forget to give me a 2 thumbs up if you like the video. Share with your friends, subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you see so that you're notified to see my future videos. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've got my lumber already pre-cut. This here is my tabletop. It's going to be my desktop here. I have a stack cut for my side pieces, my back pieces for the frame of the legs, and then the actual legs that I'll be using. They're all 2x4s. Now you'll be able to complete this project with 2 2x6, 8 feet long, 2 10-foot 2x4s, and then unfortunately we're just a few inches short of having to be able to complete the last piece, so I had to actually get another piece of 2x4 14 inches long, which completed my side pieces. I will be connecting all this stuff using the Kreg jig system and pocket hole screws, and I'll show you that as I start to put things together. Okay guys, so I am going to start drilling the actual pocket holes in the frame. This is our side piece here, and then I'll do this same thing for all of the pieces in the frame so I can get those put together, and the tabletop. So all you do is, like I said, you set up your Kreg jig, make sure you have your bit and everything set, which I already do have set for doing pocket holes in the 2x4 top lumber. So then with 2x4s, this jig has A, B, and C holes in it. I use A and B so that we get them spaced out evenly, and you just drill away. I'm gonna have to do this on both ends, so just release it. As you can see, here's the 2 pocket hole jig holes that I've drilled. I'm gonna drill 2 more on the other end. Let's go here. And once you get that drilled in place, here's the other end of the 2 pocket holes. I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the rest of the frame so I can get those put together, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, back with you. I've got all the pocket holes drilled in the frame for the desk and in the actual desk top. I want to show you real quick what I do to prepare the desktop to get it all attached and put together. So one of the things I like to do is, on the edges, as you're putting it together, I like to use a little wood glue. Now, this is not necessary when using pocket holes, but I find that it stays together better, just gives you a little more bond than just the pocket hole screws themselves. Okay, so I've gotten all my joints glued and got out my clamps. One of the things that you want to remember here when you're putting the desktop together, and anytime you're using any kind of pocket hole project, you need to make sure you have clamps, because that holds your pieces together all square and even while you actually get the pocket hole screws inserted. As you can see, I have a clamp on each end. I've made sure all the ends are square. All my holes are pointed. In the desktop, what you want to do is, like in this case, there's 4 actual 2x6 pieces. So I've got pocket hole screws from one side pointing one direction, and on 2 of the boards pointing the opposite direction, so that it pulls everything together. So like I said, I've got everything glued. It's all C-clamped together there, held in place. So now I'm going to actually start putting the pocket hole screws in. And today I'm using the Kreg 2.5-inch pocket hole screws. Okay, back with you. Got everything framed up. I've just set the top on the desk, and this is the unfinished desk. That's what it's going to look like. Hadn't decided exactly what I'm going to finish it out at, but as soon as I decide, I will get it finished out, and I'll show you the finished product. Welcome back to the shop. Tonight I'm going to show you the finished product for the student desk. Like I said, it's been a really fun project, and I think it turned out all right. Just want to let you know, don't forget, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. That way YouTube knows to share this video. Comment if you have any questions. And most of all, share with your friends and subscribe. So without further ado, let me show you the finished product. Okay, so guys and girls, this is the finished product student desk. Hope you all enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed doing the project. Until next time, stay safe and be kind to each other.